In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your call history on your Google account. This can be a handy feature if you ever need to review past calls, verify any unexpected charges, or simply keep tabs on your call activity. Let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access your call history with ease. First things first, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing google.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. Enter your account email and password and hit enter to proceed. After you've signed in, navigate to your Google account home. You'll usually find a profile icon or your initial where you can access the account menu. From there, click on Manage Your Google Account. This is where you'll find the control panel for various settings related to your Google account. Next, you'll want to find the Data and Privacy section. It's usually listed on the left-hand side menu. Clicking here will lead you to a page with a variety of settings and information about how your data is handled by Google. Scroll through until you find the option that mentions Google Drive. Click on this link, which will direct you to your Drive settings. This may seem like a bit of a detour, but Google often links services like Drive with the overall management of your account data. Once in Google Drive, you'll be looking for the Settings menu. Depending on your browser or app version, this could be represented by a gear icon or a button that just says Settings. Click on it, and you should be presented with more options. Next, locate the section labeled Manage Apps. This is crucial because it's where Google stores data related to various applications connected to your account. In this list, search for Call History. Not every account will have call history data available, especially if you don't use Google services that involve call functionalities regularly. But if it's there, you'll be able to see its visibility status and manage its settings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through your Google account to check your call history. Remember, the availability of call history data can vary depending on how you've configured your Google services and which services you use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time,